All right, what's up, guys? Just going to do a quick daily update, go over the market in general. Nothing specific in this video, just doing a little update. So, this is the daily chart on Bitcoin. And on my video the other day, we were sitting around 48K. Since then, we've like double tapped it, wicked down. Still bullish momentum going on. The plan here is still in place. If we went to go tag 51.4 or even 52.9, and then a little retrace, or we get that retrace first, maybe to even 46K, 45K would be nice. I think it would be healthy. Um, but, bullish momentum is very strong. We can still run these highs before that pullback. So that's the video the other day. You can always go back and watch that. It's only about 5 minutes long. Going down on lower time frames, let's go for the 4 hour. Okay, you can see momentum starting to die off a little bit. Still bullish, but I would like to see, 45, 46K. That's where I would be interested in being risk on. Here, I'm a little undecided yet. I'd like to see a flip of this first, and then we could target these highs, long 48.3, or, to me, just a gamble to go long to, reject 48.3 again. You could just get wiped out pretty fast. So not jumping in anything. I know we're in a sushi trade at the moment. Congrats to those who followed along. Starting to get a nice pump. There you go. That's the 4 hour. So wicked back down near our entry. I took profits of 436, like I had said this morning. Wick down. 4 hours about to close at the top with no wick. Daily. Let's try the 12 hour first. Yeah, 12 hour looks bullish as fuck. And daily as well, bullish as fuck. So target for taking profits probably 470. That's right where the daily belt would meet. It has not touched the belt since January 14th when it rejected it. See here. So this is a very strong push. Last time I had a push similar to this, went right through it, ended up going above the midline and then failing back down towards our buy zone. So our original buy zone back then was 580 to 630, and it paid off very well when we flipped it here. But, complete retrace. January was a terrible month for crypto. Market sentiment's much better now, as you can tell. Everyone's risk on at the moment. So I wouldn't be surprised if we did have a run up to 570. That would be, break of the downtrend, a flip, and up here. That's what I would be looking for. That downtrend is from all-time high back in May, and it has served me well thus far. Every time we've broken out of it, we've rejected, just so you know. But if we break out of it and flip that, this could be the start of a brand new bull trend. I know a few of you are in a lot of sushi spot. To me, great time to buy and be in it, especially if we flip this downtrend on a high time frame. High time frame, I mean, 4 hour, 12 hour daily, at least the 12 hour. So that's sushi. Solana had a big pump today. We're gonna check the 4 hour real quick. Yeah, so we were treating this 114 as resistance, finally broke, and here we are now. 129 is my next level. We haven't seen that price since 129 was essentially the market structure break. So, we treated as support here back in the beginning of January, had that run up to 160 again, failed this order block right here, and it was just down only from 140 to $88. So as you can see here, when we finally broke that, it was a retest, a bearish retest, failed, and we never saw that price again. I believe 129, I have that level because in the initial run up, when we first hit 200, when we came down, that was kind of our support here. So bounce, 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 run up, never saw 129 again. Ran from 129 to 260 in November. So still bullish on Solana. I hold a lot of spot, as you guys know. It's my biggest bag, so bullish on Solana. Ethereum, real quick, has been lagging compared to everything else. Still, what a beautiful run up here. Like, this market structure is just insane. I do think it's going to break. There's no way we keep going up. If we do go up and break this, I think it would be a fake out. That's kind of like where I would want to short. There's no way this market structure holds, in my opinion. It's just too insane. So be looking for ETH shorts above 34.60 if I get it, or if it just hits it and rejects again, like it did here on the previous 4 hour. I think we actually hit 34.50, and now we're back at 33.90. So if you're lucky enough to get another short up here, I wouldn't, think we're gonna dump all the way back down, but 32.80, even like 3,200 would be a nice take profit. Um, yeah, so something like this. All right, let's take a picture of that. Link. Everything's just so insane. It could keep running for these highs. It depends how, you know, strong the bulls are. I did go over a lot of longs closing this morning, so that is a little worrisome. Actually, a shitload of them closed today. Over 1,000 in open interest has closed on Bitfinex. That's your daily. So this is obviously people starting to take profits, risk off. We are down. Open interest is closed about almost 8% of longs in the past 5 or 6 days. So people are taking profit. You should as well. Always remember that. Take profit on the way up. Don't be euphoric, and don't fuck it up again. This could very well be an exit pump. I'm not entirely sure. I'm still bullish, but it's always good to be safe and take some of your profits on the way up. So you're not sitting there with your dick in your hand when it goes back down to your entry. All right. So hopefully that makes sense. Shorts, not too many have opened. 20% in open interest. Most have closed today, actually. Hit up here. Wow. Okay. So yeah, I still think bulls are going to win. For longs, similar to here, like this was the end of July. So this was the end of the bear market, right? Where I had long Solana at $20. Just because longs are closing doesn't mean shit. From here to right around, I guess, yeah, November, right? How much open interest was that? Yeah, longs had closed about 50% that were open, but we had a huge bull run. You know what I mean? So Solana went from $20. I mean, this is Bitcoin, mind you, but just so you know, for alts, $20, and all the way down here where longs were, we were at 260. So it literally pulled a 10x. This just means it's kind of the start of the run up. This could very well, go even higher. Just a little bit of a pullback. People are taking profit. I mean, they've been long since 35K when everyone else was scared. So there's that. Anything else I wanted to look at? Let's see. Someone said LRC looks like it's about to fucking gigapump. And this daily looks like, to me, it already has. I told everyone to go long at 67 cents. We just hit a high of 136. It has literally pulled a 2x in less than 2 weeks. Congrats to those who longed. Like, what a beautiful play, dude. Look at that. We literally longed the bottom. So, insane. GMT, I'm just in fucking disbelief with this coin. How the hell did it go in 3 days from 77 cents to 210? Literally pulled a 3x in 3 days. So, definitely a short to me. I would short GMT anywhere above 204. That's just me going off fibs. I pretty much just dragged it from the bottom to this high here, right at 83 cents. We finally broke it there. Since then we've wicked above both, but I think 203 to 210 is short area, for sure. So Pay attention to that. That's waves for you. Waves hit 60 fucking dollars today, and I didn't even realize that. But same thing. 60 bucks was a clear psychological area to take profit or short. Since then, it's down almost 20%. So let's see what else we got. Luna still looks pretty strong. Daily has a little bit of weakness, wicked up, right in the middle, staying within the range. I want to look at AVAX and Atom, then we'll call this a day. So yeah, that was our plan for AVAX. Literally went perfect. That was from last week's video. So little flip of the trend, bang, hits the target, 100 bucks. So that's your daily asteroids belt as well. You can just tell it wicked above, but still bullish, could still break out of here. We will see. I'm still wanting, us to go back into our original buy zone up here from 106 to 110. So pay attention to that. And Atom, all right, I guess I had two little moves here. I don't really know which one. I guess we got on a lower time frame to see what they really looked like. Yeah, so kind of neither. This is the plan to like target these highs, just play the range, break out at $32, hold it as support. That's, indication to me that we're going for at least 35 to 38. I'm going to delete this. And this was the other plan. We kind of like range off here, go for the highs, then down. It is still possible. This is a really ugly 4-hour chop. As you can tell, this wicks on both ends. It's insane. It is holding the common coloring line for the 4-hour. You can see there. And it is holding the top of the belt, which is still bullish. So we will see if that holds. It doesn't look too strong to me to think we're going to get a move out of this $32 range yet, but we will see. All right, I'm going to call that a day. Don't want to make them too long. But yeah, have a good day, guys. Pay attention to, like I said, ETH, GMT, obviously Bitcoin, all of the areas that I mentioned. Rewatch it if you need to, for longs and shorts. All right, peace.